Hi guys, back with tips and tricks, new tricks every day. So today I'm going to teach you how to create a small presentational video just by using your iPhone. Now, when I say that, we are going to use screen recording, right? I'm sure most of you already have used this screen recording functionality before, but today I'm going to teach you how you're going to use screen recording with microphone. That means while you are doing the screen recording, you can talk, you can create this video, and you can add voice clips. You can explain what you are doing, you can explain it to the viewers what you are doing in your presentational video, right? So all you have to do is first thing is to make sure that you have screen recording functionality in your iPhone added into the controls. To do that, we have to go to settings in your iPhone and search for control center. Okay, and in the control center you can go to customize controls. Now as you can see, I have already added screen recording functionality to my controls. So you can delete it and you can add it back if you want. So all you have to do is touch on this plus icon and it will appear here. Now you can check if this screen recording functionality appears in your phone, right? Go back to home and slide up. You can see this blinking icon. That blinking icon is the screen recording icon. It is blinking for me because I'm creating this video using its functionality. So for you it will not blink, not just yet, but now you have set up the first step. Now you can do a screen recording. You can touch on this button and it will start screen recording. It will show you on the top of your phone in a red color bar that your screen recording is running. And if you want to stop it, you have to again click on this button. Now I'm going to tell you how you are going to actually add voice to this screen recording without using any video editors. All you have to do is add your built-in microphone to this screen recording functionality. To do that, all you have to do is give a 3D touch on this screen recording button. That means give a little bit of pressure and press it. Now this screen appears. Now it shows my screen is recording and it shows the time, and also it shows my microphone is on. Now my microphone is on. It is displayed in red color. If yours is not switched on yet, it will look like this. See? So now you know how to add your built-in microphone to your screen recording functionality. Now you can use this screen recording functionality to create actual videos, presentational videos, where you can actually talk and you can explain what you are doing in your presentation. And end of the day you can put that video on your YouTube channel or Facebook page or Instagram. So it is very easy. Now you have set up everything. All you have to do is give a little bit of a touch, a normal just touch, to start this screen recording. And while it is recording your screen, now you can talk whenever necessary to describe what you are doing in your video, right? Just like what I'm doing right now. So this is very easy way to create videos. If you are into creating videos, if you have a YouTube channel and maybe you don't need that much of editing, this is the simplest way to create videos for your channel, right? Just by using your iPhone's built-in functions. No video editors, nothing. But if you want to trim this video or do a little bit of editing, you can actually use iPhone's video editor if you want. So that's all for the day, and I hope you enjoyed watching this video and you actually learned this new tip, and I hope you will be using this video tip to create videos in the future for your channel, for your Facebook page. So give me a comment if you liked it, and Actually, if you enjoyed this video, please share it with your friends and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye.